music in here? Who can see some musical instruments in here? Where? No? They're sticks. They're not musical instruments. Who can see some instruments? Not in my... No? Not in my pocket? I've got sticks in my pocket, I know. I'm going to show you where we can all make some musical instruments, because everywhere around us there's music and there's instruments. And we're going to walk around today and find the areas. So when you get a stick, what I would like you to do is gently scrape the floor. I can see at least 2 more, if not 3 more. Who can see 2 more musical instruments?
Here and there.
And where else? Actually, that's 2. I can see another one.
Where?
You can put their sticks in front of their tongues. I can see a sound. And it's not long. And it's not far. What's that sound?
It's a tree.
No, not the tree. Give a little wiggle.
Probably right, don't think my knee goes sideways.
Wow, that sounds different to what we've had so far. Oh, look at the way I'm making a move. And if we all do a big stomp, big stomping steps, we can make our own musical instruments, can't we?
I don't do this.
And a little bit of jogging. Oh, no tapper, because our sticks are here, aren't they, by our tummies? So we're going to go swish, 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 ready and jump. Jump, swish, swish, ready and